chart of gold. That is the hourly. I have a new wave count for you in gold. This is an idea that is submitted to Mr. Market to see if Mr. Market is going to validate that or not. But here we go. Coming right from the bottom, strike here in October, 4th of October 23. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. We're going up. We have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. So effectively, we are in the fourth wave. That relates to the second wave that you see here. If this is correct, there is a fair chance that the ABC that we have seen struck the bottom of the range. No guarantee, it could actually dip under that, but that is the idea, that it may have struck the bottom of the range. And what we are going to witness now is basically lateral movement to finish the fourth wave. Could chew up a bit of time. On the 4-hour scale, you can see the 200 moving average, quite helpful as far as the bulls are concerned. You can see that it's very, very clear coming up. That's the 200 moving average, and it's very possible that gold will just take its time going sideways until such time that the fourth wave is done. Yes, and then we scale higher, above 35, 20, etc. What I can tell you is that this is looking like a classic ABC. Classic ABC. The jump here didn't quite deliver, as far as I'm concerned, clear 5 legs. It's possible I'm wrong, but I would not hesitate taking it as an ABC like that, which would give me my B. And the question is, what do I do with this? Right now, this could play out as an A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, tiny. So effectively, this could be a C. Do you see? So what will happen? It's going up for a D. If that's the case, and it's going up for a D, it should not exceed this level, 3, 4, 5, 1. As long as it doesn't exceed this level, sorry, no, just to be very as precise as I can, let's put it here, it's 3, 4, 4, 9. Okay, you get the point. It shouldn't go above this level. If it gives you a clear ABC, and then it stalls, let's say it stalls at about 3, 4, 1, 6, and then it gradually goes sideways to down, sideways to down, it's telling us it is in a fourth wave. And then it's telling us there's a big move coming after that. Okay, I'm going to look at silver. Now silver is looking like it's reluctant to go back to this level. Yeah, it's holding quite well. And I'm beginning to wonder if this is not a 1, 2, and this is actually a 3. That's not a 5. I took this as a 3, 4, 5. And I said this is an A, this is a B, or a B coming down, and then a C. Now, it's possible that this is indeed the A, that the reading that I had originally, that's an A, and that's going to end up in a B that will not go and check the floor here, but rather just continue sideways in a tight range, and then you get that jump. Now the key level to watch in the case of silver is this. Once it rises above this level, 33.49, let's say 33.50, it tells you this is definitely news. It's news. What do I mean by news? It's possible that the movement that we have seen here, which was rather in a tight range, this movement is over and silver is heading higher. Silver is heading higher. When it crosses 33.50, the odds, and again we are playing the odds here, there are no certainties, yes, the odds will shift to the bulls short term, telling them yes, that's probably a movement that will carry. Whether it's going to carry as a fifth leg, with this being 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, going back to retest the top at 35, 35.50, or it's going to be something else, that is going to be revealed by Mr. Market. But what I am saying now is that as soon as it breaks 34.50, 33, 33.50, the odds will point higher, okay, that there'll be a continuation of this move. And I can even talk about an inverse head and shoulders that would look really interesting here. Look at this. How about this being a shoulder? Here's your head, here's your shoulder, and this is coinciding nicely with that region that I've just talked about, 33.50 right here. So if you get a move, imagine you get a move popping like that, you got the inverse head and shoulders down, it's coming back to retest it from the top, and then it continues higher. That's it. This is an excellent buy spot right here. Once it comes back to cross above this level, that's a good buy spot. Okay, some of you might want to buy it at 33.50. You do what you want with this information. I'm telling you the structure. Again, we're not dealing with certainties. Anything could happen. I could be wrong. It could actually go slightly higher, get knocked out by resistance and go back there, and it'll give us this ABC. Do you see? But in short, the entire structure here is positive in terms of talking long term, yeah, even medium term. Silver is very strong, a market that holds on to this level after jumping nicely here. You can see since 14th of April, essentially, we have been going sideways here. That's consolidation. That's very good. You can see it clearly right here. You can see the range, yeah. That's consolidation. This is not a topping process as far as I'm concerned. This is not telling us we are going there. No, but rather we're going there. Even if we have to deep slightly, take the stops and then reverse. You see what I mean?